Is April 10th. We're actually out here tilling up some ground on this food plot out here. This year I'm going to go with the Real World white clover and chicory blend. Well, it is officially the first cutting time of the year. My buddy John and I are going to mow this clover plot. This is about 2 acres in the Real World clover chicory blend. Planted this. This is its 3rd year, and we did a little bit of frost seeding in some areas, and that's all we had to do. Just a little bit of maintenance this past winter, but it's pretty awesome. You know, like I said, this kind of kicks off everything. This is when we really start getting the trail cameras out, really start throwing the mineral out heavy and monitoring and seeing what deer we're gonna have. We're starting to make some plans with this one, but I'll show you what it looks like whenever we get done. Back out here at the lease, we're actually standing in the middle of the clover plot right now. The coolest thing about clover is whenever it white flowers, it's time to cut it. For us in Iowa, it's about every 3 to 4 weeks, and that's all we have to do. And the cool thing about it is as long as you keep mowing it, it'll actually choke out a lot of those weeds, and then you don't have to use any spray. Today, we're actually going to be tilling up the center section here and going to be using some of the Real World Crave corn. In theory, I just want to get another food source in here. The clover has been phenomenal, but I'm trying something this year. The landowner is actually going to be doing corn on the other side of the farm, and after he cuts, I'll still have standing corn. So we're going to try to just kind of set this property up. I believe more for late season. We might get lucky and we might have something come through here, you know, earlier in the year, but that's what I'm going to try this year. See if I can hold the deer and kind of get that late season attraction with the corn. All right, we just got these canisters filled up. Man, I love this stuff. These old John Deere corn planters, I mean, they never stop running. So we've got these 2 canisters filled up equal, locked in, ready to go. We've got this area. John went ahead and got it all tilled up just now. So we're gonna start running. Pretty cool. It's nerve-wracking at the same time. I know it's gonna work. I know that I want to have corn out here. It's just, man, it's just been such a gorgeous, awesome clover plot, but it's not about what I want, it's what the deer want, right? So we're back out here now. It's a little bit cooler than it was earlier today. And when we came out, we thought we were just gonna get this corn in, but then we realized how tall the clover's gotten already. So unfortunately, we had a full trailer load already, so we had to make another trip back out here. And we've got the, John and Shelby have got their 4-wheeler out here, and then we've got the pull behind mower on it. So get all this clover mowed and this perimeter. And you can see kind of behind me here, the way we did this corn in the middle, and we still have our clover band all the way around, and I've got a pretty cool tree stand set up right over here about middle of the way. So, and then we're going to try to drag some of this dirt and smooth some of this out a little bit where it kind of clumped up a little bit on us when we were planting today, but make sure we've got good cover over top of all this corn and pray that we get some rain this weekend and we'll be good to go. We couldn't have timed this any better. As long as they're right and we get the rain, we'll get some corn growing in here. So I'm excited about it. I've wanted to do corn in here a couple different times and just never done it. And I kind of feel like that's going to be the missing piece that this side of the farm needs over here. Clover's been great. I think the corn's just going to be better.